Hi, I'm Keith Cotter and welcome to HSB Roof Elements in a nutshell. Today I'm delighted to tell you we've completed the final part of our framing suite of tools. Not only can you frame in a wall, you can also frame in a floor, and that's always been there, but now you can frame an entire roof element. You can define your own ridge details, your valley detail, all those connections that you would have between a wall and a roof are all now possible through the Framing Styles editor. And when all that's complete, you can then frame the entire roof either in its entirety or as individual elements and define those elements in your own constraints as you wish. Defining, as I said, from the detail editor, you will be able to define that ridge detail or even override that ridge detail should it be changed in a given project. And when you're finished with all of that, there's the additional tools, like you may want to add additional blocking to the roof, or maybe there's a penetration of a chimney or maybe a Velux window, and you will be able to detail that out, finally arriving at a fully fabricated model of a roof element. And you will then eventually have your full building framed in walls, floors and roofs. So let's take a quick look at some of the details I've just described and understand what they are. So in a typical project like this architectural building, we can use the Framing Styles editor and define many different types of connections. Here we're defining a ridge connection where through an inventory set of beams you can set your beam orientation as to how you want it on the ridge beam. Some of these beams can be either fixed or they can be parametrically defined, and once in position you can then adjust the sheeting to suit for the actual connection itself and finalize the full detailing. That can be done for hip and valley details or even how a wall connects to a roof. And then when that's all complete, you can then frame your entire roof, or you could just frame one individual element at a time. It's up to yourself how you want to frame this roof, but the resultant is that detail set that you define. It'll now automatically frame all those connections and determine how each of the connections are linked together, and you end up with a finalized result in your building as shown here. You can also complete this by adding blocking or defining details around a chimney detail and finalize the entire roof so that you have a fully fabricated model. I'll be covering a lot more in this in upcoming sessions, and you should follow these up. But in the meantime, I'm Keith Cotter. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in future sessions.